So we are going to breakfast. It is an all-you-can-eat breakfast buffet.
A big boy.
His favorite kind of breakfast, right?
Yep. they literally have every kind of breakfast food that you can think of. You can get waffles, pancakes, eggs, bacon, sausage, yada yada yada. All my favorites.
So it should be good, but it is awful close to Declan's nap time. So we're gonna have to make it pretty quick because I'm nervous about how it's gonna go.
Just push it. Boom. Look at, he's just having a little time to sleep, resting in there.
How's your breakfast? Is it good? Yeah. And how's yours?
Good.
Yeah? What'd you get?
He had both balls in both hands. I asked to put the puffs down. He was like, well, I can't grab it, so I'm just going to smash my face into it.
It was really cute. What'd you get? Oh, your mouth's full. I always do that. Okay, I got this. That's the bad plate. And that's the good plate.
What are you doing? And I got the purely bad plate.
Yeah? What'd you get?
Sausage and gravy, French toast and bacon.
Nice. Somebody fell asleep in the ergo. He was hanging out with Daddy. And we are not looking for golf clubs.
We are.
Aww. He was sleepy.
He passed out.
So now we're just killing time until I think he's in a deep enough sleep to put him in the car. We got him some new outfits and pajamas and food. He likes those things. What's that?
Some sort of shake, I guess.
How excited are you?
Very.
You look it. We are going to Target first to see if we can't find one of those seat things for Declan to ride on the back of our bikes, but we've got our bikes and we are going to the state park because Alex got, is it a sticker that we have?
It's this little park pass that goes on your registration.
Yeah, so we're going to the state park to ride on the bike trails and go to the beach with the little guy. Sounds like so much fun.
Yeah. We made it. We made it to the beach. The secluded beach. Through the bike trail and the sand areas. Everyone's like, I got it, Dad. I got us there safely. I was co-captaining it the whole time.
You look so cute with your little helmet. You ready to go swimming, little guy?
Yeah, Mom.
Little guy, hey. Are we at the beach?
I don't know about this, Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah. It's a boy.
The things that I got in the The big wave got you. The big wave got you.
Oh. Declan's first time at the beach.
Family.
in like a little watering can. So I think we're gonna build a sandcastle if I would stop sinking. He keeps sinking into here. Do yours?
Yeah, I'm more on the rocks than you are.
Oh.
Yeah.
I love this beach. We used to come here all the time. Me and my brother when we were kids. You have to take a bike trail here and it's super secluded, like hardly anybody even knows about it.
Did you show it to everybody?
So yeah, it's like my favorite place to come in the summer. It's so nice.
Scoop. Ready? Let's do some of this. Ready? Watch. Scoop. 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 We'll just roll it up with some sand. We're just gonna roll it up. You wanna help Daddy scoop it in there? Scoop. 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 We're just digging away at the beach, making sand castles at the beach. Yeah, at the beach. At the beach, at the beach, at the beach.
You're gonna do it like Daddy?
Beach.
We've got a song to go along with being at the beach, I guess.
Beach. At the beach, at the beach, at the beach. At the beach. In order for a sandcastle to really work, we gotta get it wet. So we scoop it in there. We get a little wet.
He's
Are
like,
you
I got
helping?
this.
Are you helping?
He thinks the sand is cool.
That's so much fun. Bat, bat, bat.
Where are you going? Get the water.
Bash, 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 bash. You want this one? Well, here. Here.
Is that cold? Oh, it's dumping all over him.
Excuse you. He's gonna make another castle.
I think you have too much water.
It'll all dump out at the top.
Oh. Wow.
Anything extra will dump out at the top.
I shouldn't question the master, should I?
Wow,
Oh, he's getting
Splashing
me all
it.
wet.
Ready? Let's make another one. Might have been too wet.
We'll see. No? Or, yeah.
There you go, get more water.
What are you doing, little guy? You're all covered in sand, mister. Where are you going? He's out of here. So see you later, Mom. Declan's going to explore the beach.
Where you going? Where you going? Yeah? Oh no! Oh no, it got you! splash, splash. Let's step over the watering can. Oh, we made it. Yeah. We can make it. Only a little bit further.
Come on, little guy.
Right here. You want to come up to us? Splash, splash, splash. Look. Ready? Look. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, splash, splash. Oh man, it's getting you. It's getting you. Yeah. Let's take a break. Splash, 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 splash.
What are you doing?
Splash, 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 splash.
So we're back at the bike trails. We just went all the way up that. That's what leads down to the beach.
And now we're gonna go bike riding.
Yeah, through all these trails here. Right, little guy?
That's right, Mommy.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. These trails are so pretty.
Whoa, hi.
I'm riding one-handed, hoping I don't fall. Hopefully all goes well. How are things back there?
We're good.
Yeah. Is Declan
Riding on our
enjoying?
bikes. We're riding on our bikes. Riding on our bikes through the Lakeport Trail. Riding on our bikes. Riding on our bikes. Riding on our bikes and Declan's new seat.
I have no idea where we're even at. Oh, we're going uphill. Good. Oh, this is hard. So there's this really cool like bonfire pit slash like there's like a bunch of picnic tables and stuff. So Ellie, if you're watching, you and John and Amelia and all of us need to come here and hang out because it's all like secluded. We have to ride our bikes to get here. But look. There's two grills right here and a whole bunch of picnic tables. And then there's a bonfire pit right here. And it's just completely secluded. There's the beach right there. And then there's just an open field. And you have to take your bike to get here, so there's not that many people, obviously. Like today's Sunday, and it's like a busy day for the campground, but nobody's here. There's Alex and Declan.
More trails back there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Are you having fun? His helmet's kind of crooked.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are in the drive-thru.
At Burger King.
They have veggie burgers, so I got me one because I really wanted a veggie burger.
And I got me a chicken Big King.
You're a pig king.
You're a big king.
It's me and Alex.
What up?
And little guy's over here exploring. Oh, he's got the remote.
He's gonna throw it around.
Pretty proud of himself. Hey, little guy. Still got it. Climbing over Daddy. Well, he's pretty good at that. He is on the move. Alex is playing some Plants vs. Zombies. See that up there?
Oh man.
And yeah.
Jewel Junction.
And so I think we're just gonna hang out here in the play yard with the little guy. Wow, you're so good at that. That's a pretty song. And he's gonna make beautiful music for Sad World. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much our day. Anything you'd like to add?
Yeah, his piano music is gonna be out on iTunes soon, so keep an eye out for it.
Yeah, because it's just that good. Alright, well I guess that's all for today. So bye.